Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the clock app and tapping the alarm tab so you can edit the alarm immediately. Next, make sure the ringer volume is visible by unlocking the phone and using the side volume buttons. This controls alarm loudness unless bedtime or focus overrides apply. If your side switch is set to silent, alarms still sound, but volume adjustments may be confusing. Once done, tap Edit on the alarm you want to change and proceed to tone and volume options. Now, select the alarm you opened and tap Sound to choose a quieter tone. Softer tones play at the set volume and can feel less jarring. Make sure to test tones briefly so you hear their true loudness. Then exit to Settings, Sounds and Haptics and reduce ringer and alerts volume using the slider. This directly affects alarm loudness. If you prefer precision, use Assistive Touch Volume Control or connect headphones for a quieter test environment before finalizing. Save your changes and test the alarm by setting a 1 or 2 minute reminder so you can verify volume in a real case. Make sure Focus or Do Not Disturb modes are not muting or altering alarm behavior. Bedtime and health can also change the sound. If the volume still feels wrong, restart the iPhone to clear audio routing issues. And as a final troubleshoot, reset Settings General Transfer or reset iPhone, reset all settings. This preserves data, but restores audio defaults.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.